Just want to show you my mini Iron Flask collection. I am a massive fan of Iron Flask. If you've never had them before, they are a very high quality water or drinks tumbler company, and that makes a fantastic range. And not only is it a fantastic range in terms of quality, the colours. I really like this pink and it's like aqua together, and they also got this purple and pink together. This is the larger, I think, 1 litre bottle. These are thermal, so you can either keep things super cold or keep things warm. They do work really well. If I put ice cubes in one of these in the morning, I've still got some remnants of ice cubes in the afternoon, by the end of the afternoon for work. So you can put your cold brew in there, you pop your water, your coffee if you want to keep it nice and warm. These ones also come with, these ones come with two different lids, like a travel flippy one, which this stays at home, so I don't use that at the moment. I use the straw. This one has the flippy doodah with the straw inside. But yes, if you're looking for a really nice high quality, not just a fashion trend brand, I just really like them as a product and as a brand. And they've lasted, I think this one's 4 years, this one's probably about 6 years old, and they're still absolutely fantastic condition. Yes, I really do recommend them as a product, and yeah, give it a go.